more? No, here, Killian. Killian, here. You need that. Where's the cup? Here, Killian. Here, Killian. Now. No, here. Pour some with your kettle. Look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sophia's going to finish this jigsaw. Can I have some tea? Here, Killian, can I have some tea? Sophia, show him how to do it. Oh, good girl. Thanks. Oh, thanks, Sophia. Sophia, will you give Killian over that little teapot and show him how to do it? Show him how to do it. Show him what to do, though. No, show him. There. Give him some tea, Killian.
I'm making buns. I need to
Good boy. You making some tea? Yummy. Good boy. Can I have some tap-tap to mommy? Tap-tap to mommy? Is that delicious? Thank you.